What'd I tell you? I got used to the pace. I got used to the pace, chat. I got used to the pace. What'd I tell you, chat? All I needed to do was get used to the pace of play.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're back on Sparking Zero.
It's been a long time since I've been on Sparking Zero. I hit A rank and then haven't played for like a couple of days. So I'm terrified. I don't know if I got what it takes, but I can tell you this. I don't blame myself for any of these losses we take because today
We're playing with a team.
we're gonna hop straight into ranked with a team that I refer to as Team TSL. What does Team TSL consist of? This is what I call variant A of Team TSL. You have the one, the only
Base Cub.
You have My Shoulder Goten. You then have our main character.
What about Vidal?
And last and certainly not least, your main character, Gohan. Main character, Gohan. This has been the squad that I've run with, but there's also some other variants of Team TSO. And we're just going to play round robin. Whenever a team loses a series, we'll swap it out. I'm probably going to lose my first fight, though. I haven't played Sparking Zero in like a week. I'm going to lose this fight so badly, but it is what it is. We ball.
There was nobody other than me.
Unless this
up on
guy's
the mountain.
ass, because I was
So I'm
climbing.
excited to have somebody to fight.
Either one of us should hold back. Let's do this for real.
Let's do it.
I'll eat you.
Full out of that. Okay.
That won't work on me.
Revenge counter is crazy. Yeah, I'm definitely rusty. Definitely rusty. Oh my god. I cannot believe that worked.
Where are you looking?
That won't work on me.
Ooh. 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 That didn't change, huh? Shit. Oh, okay, Reeds. Here's revenge countering me. That's crazy. Oh, shit. Okay. Alright, he knows what I'm going for.
We've only just gotten started.
Let's go. Yeah, I'm so rusty, it's not even funny.
Where are you looking?
Oh, shit.
Where are you looking?
Reeds!
Oh, shit. Yeah, I'm rusty as hell. I should have hopped back in the lab. I should have hopped back in the lab before I started. I am rusty as hell.
There you are.
Weave. Charge. Let's go. I gotta get back in the groove chat. Just let me cook.
That won't work on me. What are you doing? I'm gonna win this fight.
There we go. Hold on. All right, I'm getting back into it, chat. He loves revenge counters, though. It's a weird thing to love, but fine. Oh, shit. Ah. Get your dumb ass on screen. Ah. I bet, let's go. Stop swinging, nigga. There we go. Come on. You gonna charge me? I fucked up. I'm not gonna get this. I'm not gonna get this. I'm not gonna get that out of there. I fucked up again. Let's go. Come on, I'm getting back into the groove. I'm getting back to the groove. I'm getting back to the groove. He pushed the button. He pushed the button. Don't push the button in front of go. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, he did that. He did that. He did that. That was a good move.
Go back to the basics, why don't you? It took a
We can do it. We can both do this. Oh, shit. 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 I'm so rusty right now, chat. This nigga's not good. I'm just so rusty. I'm just so unbelievably rusty right now, bro. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Well, this isn't good.
Here's a new one.
This isn't good. I'm so rust. It's not even funny. I just gotta get back in the thick of things, man. Fuck. Fuck. Yeah, nah, that's on me. I played bad. I played bad. I played bad. This one was ugly. Ugly performance for Team TSL. Ugly performance for Team TSL. Didn't really have much commentary. Trying to get back into the groove of things. It's not going to be a good start. It's not going to be a good start. I need layup lines. I need to go against fodder. I need to get back into my rank me down real quick. Rank me down real quick. I ain't played in a week, and it shows. Well, fuck it. Round. Oh, fuck it. I get stronger as I fight. Just got to get back in my bag. Got his ass. Oh, there's no way that missed. Come on. There it is. Gotta proc that after image.
Now it's my turn.
What? That's crazy. I literally dodged that. Wow. I mean, it doesn't hurt or no shit, but that's on me. Predictable.
We've only just gotten started.
Got his ass. Oh, shit. Probably should swap. Fuck. Yeah, my swaps are rusty and shit too, but it's fine. Honestly, base Goten has an argument for being better than. Like, no. No. Anyway, base Goten has an argument for being better than Super Saiyan Goten because of the 2-bar moves in sleep, but I don't know. Like, I don't think this is gonna connect though. Oh, he moved. Cool. Fuck. Yeah, I need to get some practice runs in. I need to get some practice runs in because I'm getting cooked. I need to get some practice runs in. We're having an ult off, and that's hilarious to me. Is he gonna keep swapping the whole time? I'm not saying it's like jeez, but like damn, dude. Oh, okay, good play. Good play, good play. All right, Glorious King, go easy. Yeah, when back in my heyday, I'm dusting this nigga, but I'm just so washed. Bitch. I knew he was gonna do that dumbass counter. But I'm gonna fight him 3 times. I don't really give a fuck. I'm a concentrator. You give a fuck about win percentage as a concentrator. You're doing a little too much. Oh! But we'll be fine, chat. This could be the start of something new. Is he doing something? What? You push the button. I ain't gonna lie, you push the button. I ain't gonna lie, you push the button. Oh. That's crazy.
Still wanna fight?
I was leaving here with something, chat. I was leaving here with something, chat. I had to leave it with some. I had to leave it with some.
Make a promise. We'll do this again.
I had to leave with some, bro. He couldn't just clean, like, swap victory me. We just need to go through the training arc part 2, bro. It's all good, but we do need to make some subs. A deal was a deal. All right, chat. This is the part. While we go through the training arc, Team TSL is going to find its meta team. Who didn't put no work in, or who do you want to see swapped?
And for what?
Obviously, like I said, that was my first game in like a week, maybe 2 weeks even. So Team TSO has pretty much had our overhaul here. Vidella's still here because that's our glorious queen. That's our main character. What about her? However, we have to push our hot takes agendas here. With Deborah and Zamasu dominating videos for months on end at that. Deborah and Zamasu have dominated the hot takes. Deborah being an underutilized character, and Zamasu being you all's favorite antagonist for some fucking reason. And then Chaozu just because he's useless.
Maybe I can slow you down.
Better watch your step, buddy. Or I might end up.
Here we go, chat. I feel like we might have cooked this time. I got used to the pace of the game last time. Now I just need to execute. Oh, okay. Okay, that's on me. What'd I tell you? I got used to the pace. I got used to the pace, chat. I got used to the pace. What'd I tell you, chat? All I needed to do was get used to the pace of play. Okay, that door don't really work, it. Okay. Oh, really? In my face, though? Whoa, gang. Whoa, gang. Chaozu, throw the fucking rock, dog. Yeah, he just wants to absorb energy. He just wants to absorb energy. I'm not gonna let him do that. See? He just wants to absorb energy. He just wants to absorb energy. I don't know why you want, of all people, Chaozu's energy, dog, but good luck with that.
Come one with the cell.
Now, I think it's time. We're pretty low health. We're pretty low health. He's perfect. We're outclassed here. There's only one thing Chaozu can do here now.
Too slow.
Yes! No! Throw a rock at him! Oh shit. Fuck. Now it is time for the canonic matchup. It's only right. Oh my god. It's only right we find out. No, no, no. Shit. Shit. He's gonna go for all you. That's fine. That's fine.
Victory for you, rather rightly. I commend you. You've backed me.
If this works, I'm hilarious.
Forcing me to use a barrier.
You are gift by Deborah! You're gift! You can't fuck with Deborah! You're not on my power level! Oh god, boo! Boo! You're gift by Deborah, buddy! He's underutilized! He's underutilized! You're not ready for the powers of Deborah! Fuck. Get my ass beat now, but this is... If we can somehow just get one clean run...
For a pure and beautiful world.
This is a Hail Mary. That was a Hail Mary. That was bad gameplay. But look, if we can take down UI or get him low enough for our glorious Queen Videl to put in that work... Perfect.
I am its creator.
Oh, man. Videl, it all comes down to you. It all comes down to you, Videl. He's countering. He's countering. He's charging at me head on. I definitely lost that. Fuck.
Don't mess with me. Take this. Don't mess with me.
Changed it up on his bitch ass. Let's go. Come on. Come on, Videl.
Found you. It took a
He's charging. He's charging. And I'm behind him. Oh. Fuck. Fuck. He got me. Shit. Chat. The second this rust comes off, it's over for niggas. He ran it back. He ran it back. I'm changing up my counters. I'm starting to get my timing back. And most importantly, Videl was fucking boxing. Let's go.
This is fun for me.
This nigga Chaozu's awful, chat. You know what? We're going to change the plan. We're going to sub Chaozu out when we can. Oh, shit. Okay. Let's get the boar in here now. Yeah, you wanted to go perfect now, nigga. I can't give him the grabs that he wants. Yeah, my defense is just dog shit right now. And then I'm making expected offense and everything. Yeah, see? I'm just running in. Yeah, see, I'm just falling for every counter right now. Keep blocking, keep blocking. Nice. Just gotta slow it down, play the right way. Got his ass, come on. Oh, that's kind of cool. I'll admit that. That, he shouldn't have did that. He just wasted, like, fuck it.
Check out my perfect form. It's perfect.
Let's go.
What a win.
Oh, shit, that actually hit me. Fuck.
Forget it.
Fuck. Get his ass, Chaozu. To be the most impactful thing Chaozu ever does. I know what I'm doing again. So I'm gonna reveal something that I used to do that was so ass back then. To reveal the truth, chat, I used to do this thing where I would like push, block, and grab at the same time. Push, block, and grab at the same time. I don't know where it came from. Yeah, like I did it just now too, but it's fine. I just got old habits I need to break. Come on, please sit next. Let's go. Oh, I tried to do after it. Okay, well, I'm dead. I tried to do after it. Okay, bet. Come on. Gotta slow it down. Get the fuck out of here, nigga. If I can get that immortal body off, I'm good.
Something beyond my strength.
If I can get a mortal body off, I'm good. I've tried to do that all day. It hasn't worked. I don't know why I keep doing it. But here we go. Here we go. The battle that legends will talk about. Legends will talk about it. Oh, shit. Come on, Fidel. Get the biggest dub of all time. I believe in you, Fidel. We believe in you, Fidel. Step on that nigga. Yeah, I just gotta stop running into people when they're sitting there going like this, countering and shit. Team TSL will get a W. Well. I think this speaks volumes to what Team TSO is. Essentially, look, man, you guys don't say it's just Zamasu as the peak villain. You guys also have mentioned time in and time out that Goku Black is the true glorious king. So we're gonna start off with Tien. Tien's gonna be our starter. We're then gonna have a father-daughter bond in Videl and Hercule here. Then we're gonna have Goku Black, and then if they make it to the end, they'll go against
The final boss. It's gonna be Bloodline Rules.
final boss Raditz. Here we go.
You've improved, have you? Show me.
Oh shit. Uh-oh. And we're going against a Vegeta.
After all this time.
We're going against a Vegeta. Okay, his connection's better than the last guy. That's good. You know he's gonna sit there and want to counter. Yeah. You're kicking there, buddy. You're kicking there, pal. Fuck. Come on. Tien's kind of boxing, chat. He's gonna stop. That's fine. Goku Vegeta team. He's probably gonna fuse. He went for a grab again? Okay, he did damage rather quickly there. Yeah, you got to move, nigga. You had to move, nigga. Let's go. All right, TM's kind of boxing. The world champ! The champ is here! The champ is here! The champ is here! The champ is here! Let's go! Oh shit, he knows ball. Oh, it hurts. It hurts. It hurts. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Shit.
Let me show you my full strength.
Oh shit, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. That ult was anticlimactic. Good to know. Did he really try that? Go! Come on! Come on, Videl! Come on, Videl!
Yeah!
Come on, Videl took out Goku! Oh, he's gonna let me do this? Oh, you're crazy. Alright, bet. Shit. I can do this all day. Oh shit, but I did. He's countering. Fuck that. Fuck that, he's countering. Yeah, I'm about to say, he's sitting there countering.
You want to sit there and counter? Fine. Videl, take out Goku and Vegeta, nigga.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, come on. Nigga threw a Hail Mary at the world. You're going against the final boss. Your Reddit isn't like my Reddit. Your Reddit isn't like my Reddit. My Reddit knows one thing. My Reddit's only pleased by one game, and it's gonna be Bloodline Rules. It's gonna be Bloodline Rules.
Let me show you my full strength.
No, nigga. That's a fraud Reddit's ideology right there. That's a fraud Reddit's I'm looking at, chat. Yo, go ahead. Go ahead. All that shit hurt.
I'll kill you quickly.
You're gonna miss too, my mother.
Go to hell.
Fuck. Okay, that hurts a lot.
You want it?
Me. Okay. Okay.
Let me show you.
My controller's dying. Stop.
You're mine. You're a joke.
Hail Mary attempt.
Hail Mary! All shots, good shots, Reddit. Keep shooting.
Go to hell.
Yeah. You wanna have alt fest, nigga? We can do that.
Let me show you.
I read the play.
Gotcha.
Fuck, he got me.
You're mine.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you better run. Who the fuck is that? Roshi? Try it. Oh, you sold. Oh, you sold. Oh, you sold. Oh, you sold. You sold. You sold, old man. You sold, old man. You sold, old man. You're not taking off Videl. It should say after image. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. He pushed the button. He pushed the button. He pushed the button. He pushed the button. IQ. 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 Nah, I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck about that shit. Sit his dumb ass down. Videl deserves to close this. Videl deserves to close this. Yeah. Oops. Oh yeah. Try something, nigga. Try something, nigga. Uh-huh. Get the fuck out of my lobby, bitch. Yo, can we get an instant replay on that read? I knew he was gonna push a button. Oh, and of course he declines. Of course he fucking declines. The one dub we get, now I don't get a chance to get some wins in my goddamn video.
Training resume.
Oh shit.
You challenge the world champion? You got
He has Gogeta on this team. He has Gogeta on his team.
good.
You want to know?
Keeping up
If
my
I get
daily
the chance, I'm
regiment.
swapping out the Hercule for the mirror match. Take him seriously. He does have an unblockable super. And here it is. See? Yeah, he does have an unblockable super that will get chip damage.
Eat this.
So we're gonna have to get out of here as soon as possible. What the fuck? Chat, did one of you niggas come in here mirroring my team? What the fuck? Come on. That's two very coinky-dinky ass picks. Yeah, we're not gonna take that. We're gonna take the extra bar. We're gonna get right back on him. I gotta get better at counter, like, yeah. Yep. Yeah, then you're gonna sit there and you're gonna counter, and I'm gonna, I'm told you, chat, once I get back into it, I'm good. I just had to get used to running to niggas and then not pushing square instinctually. Because I ain't played in so fucking long. Uh-huh. Recover, recover. Nice. Let's proc Wild Sense here. Damn. Yeah, we're definitely char beaming off of Wild Sense now. Okay, he was ready. I think he can time it. Oh shit, got me back. We win this one. We win this one, and I'm not even gonna do nothing else. Oh wow. All right, he got off lucky there.
Here's something to remember me by. Got you.
All right, yeah, after this, we swap out to Hercule. Not gonna let Hercule take away, yeah.
Here's something to remember me by.
Let's go. Mirror match.
Eat this. Oh yeah, I am the Mr. Satan. Do it.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa! Whoa! What's this?
You fool.
What's going on?
Here's something to remember me by.
This is so stupid.
Oh yeah, game over. My turn.
He's punching. Fuck.
Something good. Well, what do you think of this color?
Fuck you.
Is it not beautiful?
You're not the real Goku Black.
Yeah, got you.
Had to do a double weave. I'm pretty nasty for that. I'm pretty nasty for that, and I don't care. I'm pretty nasty for that, and I don't care. I'm pretty nasty for that, and I don't care. Womp womp.
Who's there? Here's something to remember me by.
Yo, try beam on Hercule.
What? I am the Mr. Satan.
Yo, try beam on Hercule.
Here's something to remember me by.
I didn't Yo, try beam on Hercule. I couldn't resist it. I couldn't resist. Whoa, 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 whoa. Champ is here.
Here's something to
Champ is here. Champ is here. The champ is here.
Oh yeah, game over. Here's something to remember me by.
Please don't. Stop.
I see right through you. There it is.
Stop, please. Shit.
Try not to die on me.
Weave. That's fine.
Almost.
I shouldn't have charged. I should have just sat there and bait. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Here's something to remember me by.
Pops,
Eat this.
you don't understand the power that your daughter has now.
I see right through you.
You don't understand. You don't understand that in the blood. Oh, what the?
I am the Mr. Satan.
Oh, I was waiting for your big ass. Oh, I wanted your big ass out here. I wanted your big ass out here. You playing my game now. What the fuck? That's exactly what I wanted out here. I wanted my revenge match, nigga. I wanted my revenge match, nigga. This is exactly what the fuck I want to deal with. Oh, shit, good.
It's over.
Oh, that's not nice.
Prepare to die.
That's not nice. It probably hits me. That move's kind of broken.
Don't mess with me.
Oh, he's out of shit.
Serious mode. It took a lot to get this far.
This is
No! What about Videl pussy? What about Videl pussy? Oh man, oh man. It's gonna be bloodline rules, huh, Pops? You always told me about bloodline rules.
Don't mess with me.
You always told me about bloodline rules. You always told me about bloodline rules, Dad. Yeah! That's two. You ever see a Videl take out a Broly? You ever see a Videl take out a Broly? Oh, now they declining. Ain't this some Ladies and gentlemen, I think it's safe to say we have found the official Team TSL. Let's get a look at the boys. Raditz, the final boss. Videl, the real MC. Tien Shinhan, underutilized character. Hercule for moral support. And Goku Black, the best antagonist. If you guys want to see more wonky Team TSL squadrons, hey. Definitely like this video, comment below. We ain't played Sparking Zero enough. As you can see, I was watching the beginning of this video. I'm glad I made up for it at the end, beating the highest ranked players that we could have possibly had in this video, because I know y'all were gonna cook my shit. I'm telling you, I was genuinely rusty. I'm not shit at the game, but if you think I'm shit at the game, also let me know, because I haven't mastered counters yet. I haven't practiced that. Anyway, take care, stay blessed. I'll see y'all next time.